Ozonated olive oil is a type of oil that has been infused with ozone gas. This process typically involves bubbling ozone through olive oil, which creates a mixture that has unique properties. The ozone interacts with the fatty acids in the olive oil, leading to the formation of ozonides, or compounds that are believed to have antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and wound healing properties. Uses of ozonated olive oil include 1. Topical treatment. It is often used in dermatological applications for its potential ability to help promote healing in wounds, burns, and skin infections. The oil may be applied directly to the skin to aid in the healing process. 2. Antimicrobial properties. Due to its ozonated compounds, this oil is thought to have antimicrobial and antifungal effects, making it useful in the treatment of skin conditions like athlete's foot, acne, and other skin infections. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. The oil may help reduce inflammation and soothe skin irritations, making it beneficial for conditions like eczema or psoriasis. 4. Cosmetic products. Ozonated olive oil is sometimes included in skincare formulations because of its antioxidant properties and potential to moisturize the skin. 5. Medical treatments. In some countries, ozonated olive oil is used in alternative medicine practices, including ozone therapy, which involves a broader application of ozone in various medical treatments. While there are anecdotal reports and some preliminary studies supporting the benefits of ozonated olive oil, users should approach its use with caution and consult healthcare professionals before using. In this video, you see me creating my own ozonated olive oil, and here we are getting toward the ending stages where the olive oil is starting to gel. This has been many hours, for many days, for many weeks to get to this point. But eventually this will turn into a gel and keep the ozone captured in the olive oil matrix until it is applied. I did this using a simple ozone generating device purchased on AliExpress. Details are below.